Hey, what's up YouTube? Houston here. If you're trying to boost up your credit score up to 100 points, alright, and you're trying to figure out which secured credit card should I be using to give me the biggest impact on my credit score, then this video is for you, because what I'm finna share with you is not only going to give you one trade line, but it's going to give you multiple trade lines on your credit file. Okay, not only that, or excuse me, I should say adding to that, I'm going to show you where you possibly can get the money to put on these secured credit cards. Alright, now let's talk about the secured credit cards first. First, you have the Sable One. It's the Sable One credit card. Now, with the Sable One credit card, again, you don't do a credit check. You don't even have to have a social security number. Now, their secured lines of credit go up to $10,000. But here's the kicker about it. After 4 months, this here secured line of credit becomes an unsecured line of credit. So if you're trying to get larger lines of credit for a primary trade line, then this is the card you want to look at. Alright, so that's number one, the Sable One card. Alright, now the second card is the State Department Federal Credit Union card. The reason is because you can join the State Department Federal Credit Union through the American Consumer Council, if I'm correct, and then you have you can do it with no hard pull, okay, and get the secured card. The secured card goes from $250 up to $100,000. All right, you're talking about a large trade line. That's a large trade line, okay. Now, in terms of when it graduates, it doesn't graduate in order for you to get your money back. In order for you to get your money back, you have to close the account, okay? And that's the unfortunate part about that. But here's where it gets good for you, because they do offer a savings secured account as well. So you can have multiple trade lines reporting. Now, like I said, I'm going to share with you where you possibly can get the money to pay on these here secured cards and secured lines of credit. Now, another favorite credit union of mine, and I made a video and I'll put the link in the description, you may want to check it out, it's the Patelco Credit Union. Okay, they have a Pure Secured MasterCard. Now, with the Pure Secured MasterCard, you can put whatever amount on it. Now, how do you join Patelco? In order to join the Patelco Credit Union, you have to go through the Financial Fitness Association. Alright, now, Patelco, they have a pledge loan program. Alright, now here's the interesting thing about this pledge loan program. Their pledge loan program goes from $500 up to $5,000. So you can apply for this without a hard pull on your credit. Alright? Now, where you do have to have an account with deposits and stuff. So they approve you for this here trade line. Okay, this score up personal loan. Okay, secured personal loan, right? And it goes from $500 to $5,000. But the good part about it is that now you'll have two trade lines reporting from that, right? Now here's the last thing. I was telling you about where to get the money. Opportune, understand me, it's not in every state, but for the states it operates in, you can get an Opportune loan up to $10,000. Okay? Now, the minimum requirements, because it's no hard pull, the minimum requirements is you making at least $500 monthly income. Alright, that's what their minimum requirements are. So anybody that has the Opportune credit card or the and I'm gonna speak on that in a minute, or the personal loan, put a comment, let me know. Alright, now Opportune also has the Visa. Now their Visa card you can get with a no security deposit, no social security number, and that Visa card goes up to $1,000. Now let's just play devil's advocate right quick. if you apply for the Opportune loan and just say that they gave you between $3,000 to $5,000, okay, and you get the Visa credit card, so that's 2 trade lines, right? Then I would probably join one of those credit unions, State Department Federal Credit Union, and get their secured card and their secured line of credit, their secured personal loan, or Patelco, and get their secured credit card or their secured line of credit. That way you have 4 accounts that are reporting, okay, and the money did not even come out of your pockets to get those trade lines reporting on your file. Now, here's another thing you can, let's just say that Opportune gives you the $5,000. One other thing you possibly can do is look at your credit report and set your accounts up from smallest, your open balance revolving accounts, from smallest to largest, and take that money from Opportune loan and pay off your from smallest to largest balance on your credit cards. Okay, pay your revolving cards off. That's going to boost up your credit score, and then you can possibly apply for higher limits with a soft pull. That way you don't get any more inquiries. Alright, so I hope that this video helps you. If you have any questions about business credit, personal credit, click the link in the description to schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.